Right, so you join me trying to fix the FJR. She broke down outside the Golden Arches last night. She's been running earlier the evening before and all that. Didn't have an issue then. She pulled up outside the Golden Arches, grabbed some food, come back. She turned on, she tried turning over, she just didn't seem to have enough power to completely turn over to fire up. So naturally, I think, okay, the battery's low, so we need to get her home or need to get her somewhere and can sort the problem later. But first, you need to get home. With bike as well, preferably. So, grab my jump start pack, hook it up, give it a go, and still it wouldn't turn over. It was trying to, you could hear it cranking, it still wouldn't turn over. So I'm like, okay then, what the hell's going on here? Why is it not firing up? Even with a bump start applied, even additional power to the system, it's still no go. Still not enough. And then the worst happened. Whereas basically I decided to give it one more try with the bump start pack, but unfortunately we got to, you can hear it turn out, you can hear it prime. My finger is pressing the start button, and all we get is, that's it. It didn't even turn over no more. It won't even try to turn over no more. So I'm like, okay, well, now I might have to get recovery. It's going to be another late night for me. And then, before I decided to give up hope, I thought I'd try one last try, because I was like, right, okay, it's not firing up anymore, but there's power. Then something's playing wrong here. This is the starter relay. Couldn't hear no noise, couldn't hear anything from it. So I was thinking, okay, that might be the issue. I did the trick that, I don't know if any of you know, but should your relay start playing silly beggars and you want to bypass it, you see them two big nuts there, they're hard to show, but there's two nuts there. One's going to your starter, one's coming from your battery, live feed, and the other goes to your starter motor. If you think that relay is bad, because this is what I did as a last ditch effort, I was like, right, I'll hook the bump start to that, to the battery, and then, so my frame don't fall down, and then, all if you're going to do this, wear a glove or something. It's a lot of electricity, it's a nasty shock and you don't want it. And then basically all you have to do, turn the bike on, and the aim is touch them two. It's not a fun thing when you do it, so watch out. You can see I burnt the rubber trying to do it. Just trying to show one out. And basically she fired up. If I can get it to do it. There you go. Sure. Like I said, don't do that without protection, and this spanner's now really hot. But that obviously told me and pointed me towards the starter relay being faulty. I've come back today, a little check and everything, and this is where I love it when you think an electrical diagnosis, you're sort of looking at an area and you're thinking this is the troubleshoot area and this is the path to go. So I'm thinking maybe the battery could be weak or this and that. I've charged the battery and I've come in today, and I was actually hoping that it didn't start, which it hasn't done, which hopefully confirms that the relay is bad. I'm going to take it off and give it a full test to be sure, but looking at the switches. But yeah, I'm going to test the relay to be sure, I've got a spare one coming on the way and hopefully that works. But it could also be the fact that the battery is getting weak. Like I said, the starter relay may be on its way as well, but it could also show signs of a weak battery. We shall see from here. But you'll join me at the next stage. We've got another relay over inside. We'll bench test this, and also we'll get it apart, have a look inside what makes these tick. And also throwing in the FGR, that the reason that I can't just rule that out is because the starter switch itself is a relay back here as well. It passes through this relay back here. You can see it, this one here. There's a relay back here, and the starter switch, not the motor side, the switch side, goes through here, so this could be at fault as well. But join me in the next stage and we'll see if it's actually running with a proper relay in. Till next time.